All right, guys, here we are. It is time for our experiment. We have done the hard work of understanding our chemical reactions. Now we get to see them for real. So, as you can see in front of you, you have baking soda, an empty water bottle, vinegar, and a balloon. What you're going to need for this experiment also is a little funnel. The easiest way to make a funnel is just to get a piece of paper. Get a piece of paper and a piece of tape. Roll it up like so into where it looks like a cone. And then you can shove it in and put your stuff in where it's not such a small hole. So that is an option for you. Now, what you got to do is you take the bottle. You don't put the baking soda, you don't put the vinegar in first. You put the baking soda in first. You take your funnel. You put it inside. You take your spoon of baking powder. Whoa. And you throw in until you can cover the bottom of your container. So I'm going to put one more in just because it sounds like fun. All right, so there you go. I covered the bottom of my bottle. You can put this off to the side. You do not need to use your funnel with your paper funnel with the vinegar because that's a bad plan. Now, you don't really technically need the cap, but you want to keep it just in case. You need a balloon. As soon as you throw the vinegar into the bottle, you need to take the balloon and cover the lid. I have done this experiment once before on video, but it didn't video well. So here's the balloon that I made with the CO2 gas inside. Because you're making a CO2 gas. That is what you're trying to get to do part 2 of the experiment. Okay. So you're gonna take your vinegar. You're gonna pour the vinegar in fast, but don't spill it because I don't want your house smelling like vinegar for the next month. Okay, you're gonna throw this in. All right, then put your hand on top, get ready. Whoa, you can feel this. All that gas. You throw this on top, and then you gotta hold the balloon on. The reason why you have to hold the balloon on is because if it fills up with too much gas, it'll fly off. So as the balloon's filling, you can see the bottom. All those bubbles, that's the vinegar and the baking soda from our equation producing a gas. If you shake it a little bit, you can tell that it has even more gas. Because as you're mixing the powder with the liquid, it combines to make more and more and more gas. Now you want to wait until all of the bubbles are gone and it just becomes like a little, it looks like a milk. All right, and you see how much? We have tons, so it's good. So what I'm going to do with this balloon is that I'm going to take the balloon off. Actually, I think we're okay. Yeah, it's kind of on there. We're all right. So I'm going to keep this because I need this gas for the next experiment. So this is how far you need to get on the first video. You need to have a bottle. You need to have vinegar and baking soda put into the bottle, and you need to capture the gas. In case the video can't see it, you need to capture the gas in a balloon at the top. Everybody good? This is the chemical reaction we saw on our piece of paper. So let's go ahead and look at our paper real fast and show you what we did. All right, sorry, I almost made your car sick there. Okay, so when we combined the baking soda with the vinegar, we made sodium phosphate, water, and then the CO2 gas. So the CO2 gas is right here inside this balloon. There you go. Happy birthday to whatever girl is out there today.